Hey, good morning everybody. It's Wednesday. I want to make a little video today to reach out to all the contrail people who try to say that all we're seeing in the sky is contrails. It's water vapor. So get this. Here's a car that I just detailed it and got it ready for sale. Last week I waxed it, buffed it, polished it, did all that. It was perfectly clean. The following day, or days, they were spraying aerosol chemicals in the sky, contrails. And I want to show everybody proof that there's metallic particles being seeded into the clouds, into the sky. So here's the dust that the snow left behind. So I'm using a clean new razor blade to scrape this dust up into a pile. And now let me show you. I have a clean magnet here. Watch this. Look at that. It's magnetic particles. Now, if you read the patents for geoengineering, two of the primary ingredients are barium and strontium, both highly magnetic materials. Now, all we have to do for the next step is get this material tested, and it'll prove if it's exactly what's in the geoengineering patents. Hope y'all do some research and start waking up. Have a good day, guys.
Okay, here's another one just showing what is coming down in your precipitation. It's in your air. It's in everything. You see all this dirty filthiness everywhere. This happened after it rained just a couple days ago. Tons of engineering going on. And a lot of people like to tell me this is all just brake dust. Well, that's a lot of brake dust, especially for someone living out in Montana, away from basically all industrial activity. And for anyone thinking this is pollen, maybe you could tell me why pollen sticks to a magnet. Barium, strontium, couple elements in climate engineering right there, listed as magnetic or ferromagnetic. They'll react to magnets. Could be iron in that too, but that is in all of your precipitation, and it is everywhere. Try it for yourself.